Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung's affordable folding device is ready to dominate the market once again. This time the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be using the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, where we will take a look at the Geekbench scores for this device, which also reveals some key specifications. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So as we know, both foldable phones will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, which is based on TSMC's 4nm fabrication. Now officially, this processor will offer up to 10% performance boost than the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Also talking about the power consumption, then it is reduced by 30% and might bring at least 30% more power efficiency. One thing to note here, these are the official numbers, means this CPU will have all these frequencies on paper, but the actual real life results may be different. I hope that this chipset will solve all the thermal issues which are currently present on many flagship smartphones with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and due to this issue, devices are reducing their performance. Talking about the performance, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 was recently listed on Geekbench, which gives us a rough idea about the performance with this new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. In single core, the Z Flip 4 got 1277, whereas in multi-core 3642. And these benchmarks are pretty solid for an early product. Multi-core performance has been improved, so when the final product will come, the performance would be better than this. This smartphone is listed with 8 gigs of RAM variant and running on Android 12. So looks like it will feature the Android 12 out of the box at the launch event, and later we'll get update for the Android 13. Now talking about some key specifications, starting off with the display, it will feature a 6.7-inch bigger display with 1080p resolution, which will be an LTPO 2nd Gen 120Hz panel, whereas in battery section, the Z Flip 4 will also get a huge battery as compared to Z Flip 3, which only had 3300. This smartphone will get 3700 mAh massive battery considering the size, and it will be supporting 25W fast charging only. So there you go guys, these are the latest updates regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this smartphone. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.